Hi students, today we are going to discuss about Asia and Europe, which is in the 6th standard social science term 3 lesson 1 in geography part. Exactly, in the first term you have learned about how many continents are in the world and their names. But in this lesson, we are going to learn in detail about Asia and Europe. Let us explore these two continents. Okay, this lesson discusses about the location, boundaries, physical and political divisions of Asia and Europe continent. Here, the major rivers, climate and natural vegetation are highlighted in this lesson. It also explains about how economic activities are determined by the resources. The cultural mosaics of Asia and Europe are great eye-openers for learners in terms of European and ancient cultures. Okay, let us go to the topic, part A, Asia. The first part is Asian continent. Part A, Asia. Here you can see the red colored part is called Asian continent. Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. It covers about 30% of the world's land area and about 60% of the world's population. Most of the land of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. Look at this line. I am going to show this line. It has different types of physical and cultural features. Lofty mountains, plateaus, plains, islands and peninsulas are the major physiographic features of Asia. Many perennial rivers flow through different parts of Asia. These rivers, valleys, are the cradles of ancient civilization. Example, Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilization and Chinese civilization. These are the very oldest civilizations of the ancient continent. Here, my dear children, let us know more about our home continent. Why I am telling home continent? Because India is a part of ancient continent. So, I am telling this our home continent. Okay. Location and area. Asia extends from 10 degree 11 minute south to 81 degree 12 minute north latitudes and from 26 degree 2 minute east to 169 degree 40 minutes west longitudes. It spreads for an area of 44 million kilometer square. Now we are going to discuss about boundaries of Asia. Here Asia is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, and Ural Mountains in the west. Caucasus Mountain, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, and Black Sea in the west. The Suez Canal separates Asia from Africa. The narrow Bering Strait separates Asia from North America. Asia from North America. There are 48 countries in Asia. The countries are grouped into several realms based on landscape and political status, such as 1. East Asia, 2. Southeast Asia, 3. South Asia, 4. Southwest, and 5. Central Asia. These are the political divisions of Asia. The next one we are going to see physiographic divisions. Physiographic divisions. Physiographic divisions. Asia is the land of long mountain ranges, snow-capped high mountains, vast plateaus, extensive plains, river valleys, and sea coast. These diverse physical features encourage the people of this continent to involve in diverse economic activities. The physiography of Asia can be divided into 5 major groups. They are the northern lowlands, 2. the central high mountains, 3. the southern plateaus, 4. the great plains, and 5. the island groups. These are the major groups of Asia.